Hi everyone, I'm Jane Trotter and this is Accelerando Piano. Today's tutorial is all about the height of your piano's music stand. This tends to be a neglected topic, but it's actually really important and something you want to get right. Having your music at the correct height will help you avoid potential postural issues and discomfort and allow you to play with more physical freedom and ease. A lot of the time, the music stand is too low, especially on an upright piano and on digital pianos. A grand piano, of course, is a different story, where the music is situated much higher. But on many upright pianos, and especially digital pianos, the music stand is positioned physically quite low and quite close to the keys. And this can cause a lot of postural problems. In order to read the music, you'll tend to tip your head down and forward, compressing the back of your neck, and also hunch your back and bring your shoulders forward. Needless to say, this is not the optimal way to play the piano. Ideally, the music should be at eye level, so your head can be naturally free, poised and balanced, and you avoid a build-up of tension in your neck, back and shoulders. As a teacher, I deal with students of all heights, from small younger children to tall 6-foot+ guys. What I use is a system of blocks of wood, so I can easily adjust the height of the music to suit the individual student. I have 4 blocks here, which I can add or subtract depending on how tall my student is. So my wee ones will start out with none or 1, and my adult students will often have 4. And some folks prefer the music even higher, so for extra flexibility, I can tip the blocks up on their side and raise the music even higher. For my adult students who have digital pianos, I recommend buying an independent adjustable music stand and placing that behind their piano so they can adjust the height of the music to suit them exactly. For younger children starting out on a digital piano, this isn't as big an issue, as obviously they're not as tall. But children will grow, so you do need to check periodically that the music is still at an appropriate height. If you want to prop your music up a bit higher on your upright piano, you could try a sturdy narrow box, a rolled up wheat bag, a book, or a rolled up towel. And you may need to place a piece of cardboard behind the music so it's got something to lean against. Just briefly, there's one other thing I want to mention: glasses. For those of us who are starting to clock up the years, or if you wear glasses as a matter of course, your eyesight and your glasses may become an issue. If you find you're having to position your head and neck at an uncomfortable angle, or need to lean in to see the music more clearly, it might be time to have your eyes tested or update your glasses. I actually need 2 pairs, one for teaching and playing and my computer work, and the other one for everything else. If I sit down to play and I'm inadvertently wearing the wrong glasses, I certainly know about it. So, I hope that's given you some ideas. Check out the height of your music stand. If you feel it's not quite right, you've now got some strategies for fixing it and to begin to play with more ease and comfort. And be mindful of your glasses if you wear them. Are they a help or a hindrance?